Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about Boston Whaler's 2019 330 Outrage. What a fantastic boat we have here. As you can see, it's in the tectonic silver color. It's got the stainless steel insert on the rub reel with a little red boot stripe to highlight it. And it's got the big flared bow. It'll take you out into the deep water, big water, no problem. And also, as the draft is shallow enough, it'll take you in the inside as well. So as we move around towards the back of the boat, you've got the recessed tabs. You have underwater lighting, and you've got the twin 350s with the joystick piloting, and we'll see that when we get on board. So let's go up and see the rest. Here we are on board the 330. Let's start at the back of the boat. If you're not fishing today and you're just out for a ride, it's got the fold-down seat. Very comfortable for a couple adults sitting back here. Go to the beach, go to lunch. If you are fishing, it just easily folds up, goes away. You have a nice leaning post right in front of the very large live well. So plenty of room. It's going to have hold all the bait that you're going to need. And then we also have a dive door that does two things. You can swim on and off it, and you can easily get on and off the boat. And you can also drag your fish instead of bringing them over the gunnel. You can bring them right into the fish boxes. Much safer way to get them on board without losing them coming over the rub rail. So we got a prep station here. We've got a pull-out faucet. Another prep area in here. You got nice storage underneath. And as we move around to the helm, we've got two of the large touchscreen Ray Marines. So the electronics package is really, really nice on this boat. You've got the vessel view, digital throttle and shift. Does have the joystick. You can go sideways. You can dock this boat in anywhere, any condition. Also has an autopilot and also has skyhook, which you can lock yourself in position. If you're in one place and just want to keep the boat pointed at it, it'll lock you into that position for as long as you want. Three great features on this. This also has the gyro, which is a seakeeper, and does an incredible job. This doesn't bother people. This does, and the gyro will just keep it very minimally back and forth. Much, much more comfortable for everybody on the boat. It's got a fold-down jump seat, very large, spacious head with a vacuum flush, and it's got the ladder with a dedicated storage down there, but plenty of room down there. And as we move to the bow, incredible amount of storage underneath with rod holder storage. You can keep a half a dozen rods, no problem, down here and all your gear. It's got all your canvas in here also. And as we move to the bow, plenty of room up here. It's got a recessed windlass, so you can fish off the bow of the boat. And it's all non-skid on it. It does have the comfy seating here as well. Fish boxes down here. The boat, it's got open array radar on it, HD. It has pretty much everything you want to do, so you can fish on the inside, or it'll handle the big water very, very well and very, very safely. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.